Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create text with page turning animation in CapCut Mobile. So just start by adding the background and then just write your text. Here I'm going to just write, okay, for example, good morning. Choose your favorite font. Let's try this Oliver. Now go to the animations tab, click on loop, and just find the page turning animation in here. So scroll down, okay, this one. Click on the animation and adjust the speed. If you want to go fast, just swipe to the left. If you want to go slow, just swipe to the right like this. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.